Are you exploring Linux and looking to understand how to manage network connections effectively? If so, you're in the right place. Managing network connections is a crucial skill for any Linux user, whether you're a beginner or an experienced system administrator. The ability to monitor and troubleshoot network issues can save you a lot of time and headaches. In this guide, we'll introduce you to a powerful tool that can help you achieve just that. Discover the SS command in Linux, a powerful tool for anyone looking to master Linux and Kubernetes. The SS command is a modern replacement for the older netstat command, offering more detailed and faster insights into your network connections. It's designed to provide comprehensive information about network sockets, connections, and interfaces, making it an invaluable tool for network management. The SS command is not just a simple replacement, it brings a host of new features and improvements that make it a must-have for any Linux user. Whether you're managing a small home network or a large enterprise system, the SS command can help you keep track of all your network activities with ease. One of the standout features of the SS command is its speed. Unlike netstat, which can be slow and cumbersome, SS is designed to be fast and efficient. This means you can get the information you need quickly, without having to wait for long periods of time. This is particularly useful in a production environment where time is of the essence. Another great feature of the SS command is the level of detail it provides. You can get comprehensive information about active sockets, including IP addresses, ports, and the state of each connection. This level of detail can be incredibly useful for troubleshooting network issues and ensuring that your system is running smoothly. The SS command also offers a range of flexible options that allow you to filter connections by protocol, state, or address. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, without having to sift through a lot of irrelevant information. Whether you're looking for TCP connections, UDP connections, or something else entirely, the SS command has you covered. In addition to its speed and detail, the SS command is also designed to integrate seamlessly with other tools and systems. This makes it a perfect choice for managing network connections in Kubernetes and other cloud services. With the SS command, you can easily monitor and manage your network connections, ensuring that your services are always running smoothly. Here are the standout features of the SS command in Linux fast performance. Analyze network connections faster than traditional tools. Detailed information. Get comprehensive details about active sockets, including IP, port, and state. Flexible options. Filter connections by protocol, state, or address effortlessly. System integration perfectly supports network management in Kubernetes and cloud services. The SS command is not just a tool, it's a game changer for anyone looking to master network management in Linux. Its fast performance, detailed information, and flexible options make it an essential tool for any Linux user. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced system administrator, the SS command can help you take your network management skills to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into detailed tutorials and hands-on guides at bit.ly/scommand. Start learning today and turn your knowledge into practical power. With the SS command, you'll be able to manage your network connections more effectively and efficiently than ever before. Whether you're managing a small home network or a large enterprise system, the SS command can help you keep track of all your network activities with ease. Its fast performance, detailed information, and flexible options make it an essential tool for any Linux user. System integration perfectly supports network management in Kubernetes and cloud services. Start learning today. Dive into detailed tutorials and hands-on guides at bit.ly/scommand. What are you waiting for? Turn knowledge into practical power.